Thank you so much for all of you for coming here. Movie release ke munde, all of you have given me and shown me so much love. మీ అందరికీ blessings and support means the world to me and my team. Starting with my most important person, Director Garu. They say that the stricted teachers are the ones that have the most love for their students. So I would say that that's very true for you. And thank you so much for introducing me to this beautiful world and giving me this opportunity. Hero Garu. To my hero Garu, నిజానికే మీరు మాస్ మహారాజా అందుకే నాని మాస్ మహారాణి లాగే చూసుకున్నారు. Thank you for being my number one supporter always and being kind to me and yeah, you're my real friend and okka pedda blessing. Thank you so much for being my first co-actor. Producer Garu, Vishwa sir, Vivek sir, thank you for welcoming me with so much love. I'm very grateful and I can't wait for the future collaborations. Both sir, every frame that you light turns alive and it's magic. So thank you so much for that as well. Coming to Jagapati Babu sir and my parents in the film, choreographers, Bhanu Master, Shekhar Master, Brinda ma'am, music composer sir, Mickey sir, and all the cast and crew members. I'm very happy. My parents are here today, so it's like living a dream. So thank you, Mom, Dad. And they say first movie experiences are the ones you remember in your hearts forever. So I'm beyond grateful for this opportunity. And next time, definitely Telugu inka baga matladtanu, promise. So yes, me and my team చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేశారు. ప్లీజ్ ఆగస్ట్ 15 మూవీ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది, థియేటర్స్లో తప్పకుండా చూడండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. లవ్ యూ ఆల్. లవ్ యూ.